Look at this gorgeous last day of October here in Montana. What a gift. It's not even that cold. Actually, it's not even cold at all. I'm going down to meet my friend Nick, the one with the other Africa twin, just like mine, the one you saw in a previous video, the ferry lake ride we did off-road. Looks like he had a bit of trouble in the mud. And he's going to wash his bike at the car wash, and I might do the same. Are you gonna wash yourself with it? He wasn't joking when he said he had mud on the tires and everywhere else. Check this out, guys. Nice work. $2? That's cheap. That's a lot of junk that is coming out. Where did this guy go? What's happening?
I'm not sure what happened. I heard a boop, and that was it. Am I still flashing?
Nope.
Oh, I might have died.
Wait. Yeah, it's flashing blue. It is. We decided to take a ride along the Gallatin River right here. There's an unpaved road that goes all the way up to the interstate. I've never done it all the way, so we will be doing that today. I fly over this area all the time, and I see so many great roads. We lost connection again with the car though. I don't know why his car though keeps dropping. I lost you again.
Yeah, I think it's something with mine.
Before we go, let's change the mode to gravel. Mode urban gravel. There we go. Get off the kickstand. Alright, we're ready? No cars? Compared to what I did in Tuscany, this one is almost paved. No. It's pretty dry, yeah. There you go. We get a nice river view. A really nice road. I guess it used to be paved. Oh, beaver dam, huh? Wow. I bet this is a good place for fishing. Trying to change gears while I'm standing up is still a little awkward to me. Standing up is good for the camera too. Oh, looks like deer, yeah. Lots of deer. Go slower, you. Yeah, lots of deer across the river. This is a good place for a ranch. Get a house riverside. Nice. Another reason to prefer the DCT is that when you stand up, you don't have to worry about changing gears. Oh, you can also use your Woo! That was tighter than expected. Yeah, I thought it was gonna go straight. There you go. There you go. But look at me as you do it. The lady said hi. There's a lot of gravel around here. Well, the day is beautiful. We're in the heart of Montana, the wheat heart of Montana, and there's not much to see, to be honest, but it's a beautiful day to ride nonetheless. This is the Madison River. Jefferson River, but they meet here, the Madison, the Jefferson, the Gallatin. It's a nice bridge. From the fields of Montana, I bid you guys goodbye. Thank you for watching so far. Tune in for next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you soon. Ride safely.